Hi, everyone. My name is Jessica, and welcome to this English listening practice. I hope you are feeling good today and ready to listen and learn. Today, I want to talk about sport. Sport is an important part of my life, and it helps me feel healthy and happy. I do not play professional sports, but I enjoy simple activities that keep my body active. I think sport is for everyone, and you do not need to be very strong or fast to enjoy it. During the week, I try to move my body every day. In the morning or in the evening, I like to go for a walk. Walking is easy, and it helps me clear my mind. Sometimes I listen to music or a podcast while I walk. Other times, I just enjoy the sounds around me. I also like doing exercise at home. I do simple workouts like stretching, yoga, or light training. I do not need special equipment. A small space and a mat are enough. These exercises help my body feel relaxed and strong at the same time. After exercise, I feel more energetic and positive. On weekends, I sometimes play sports with my friends. We like playing badminton or volleyball in the park. We are not very serious. We play for fun and laugh a lot. It is a good way to spend time together and enjoy fresh air. When the weather is nice, being outside makes everything better. I also enjoy watching sports. In the evening, I sometimes watch football or tennis on TV. I like watching games because they are exciting and emotional. It is fun to support a team or a player and feel part of the moment. I believe sport is not only about the body, it is also good for the mind. Sport helps reduce stress and improve mood. Even a short activity can make a big difference. Thank you so much for watching and listening with me today. I hope this practice helped your English. Have a great day, take care, and goodbye, everyone. Next, I make breakfast. I do not eat very heavy food in the morning. I usually eat eggs, toast, or yogurt with fruit. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. While I eat, I think about my plans. I like to keep my plans simple. I decide what I need to do and what is most important. After breakfast, I get ready for the day. I take a shower, brush my teeth, and get dressed. I choose comfortable clothes because I want to feel good all day. Then I clean a little. I make my bed and tidy the room. A clean space helps me feel calm and organized. One important part of my morning is a short walk. If the weather is nice, I go outside for 10 or 15 minutes. I listen to the sounds around me and enjoy the fresh air. This helps me feel awake and positive. When I come back home, I feel ready to work. I think mornings are very important because they set the mood for the day. A calm morning can help you have a better day. You do not need to do many things. Simple habits are enough. Thank you so much for watching and listening with me today. I hope this practice helped your English. Have a great day. Take care, and goodbye, everyone.